Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this AWOL Vision LTV-3500 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector with Dolby Vision and Atmos, Active 3D, 150-inch, HDR 10+, UST Laser TV Projector, LTV-3500 plus D100 plus DG002. Then please visit the link provided in the description. When it comes to redefining home entertainment, the AWOL Vision LTV-3500 stands in a league of its own. This ultra-short throw projector brings true cinematic brilliance into your living space with its advanced triple laser system and real 4K UHD resolution. Every scene bursts with life, color, and incredible detail, making it one of the most immersive projectors available today. With a peak brightness of 3,500 lumens, this projector performs flawlessly even in well-lit environments. You can enjoy crisp, vivid visuals without needing to darken the room. The contrast ratio is deep and dynamic, giving your movies and games that lifelike punch that standard projectors often struggle to deliver. The inclusion of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos makes the AWOL Vision LTV-3500 a powerhouse for both visuals and sound. Dolby Vision optimizes HDR performance frame by frame, offering deep blacks, radiant whites, and exceptional detail. Meanwhile, Dolby Atmos creates a multidimensional sound field that surrounds you from every direction, making you feel like part of the action. One of the standout qualities of this projector is its color accuracy. Covering 107% of the BT Point 2020 color space, it reproduces more shades than almost any other projector in its class. Whether you're watching movies, streaming series, or gaming, the tones remain rich and natural, from vivid reds to subtle skin tones. HDR 10+ support ensures the image stays consistently balanced and dynamic, adapting to every scene for maximum clarity. Combine that with active 3D support, and you get a full cinematic experience that pops off the screen, something that even premium TVs can't fully replicate. Because it's an ultra-short throw design, the LTV-3500 can produce a massive 150-inch image from just a few inches away from the wall. This setup makes it incredibly convenient for any room size, eliminating the need for ceiling mounts or long throw distances. The included 100-inch ALR screen enhances image depth and minimizes reflection, keeping colors strong and contrast-rich even in brighter spaces. Design-wise, the LTV-3500 has a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. It's compact, stylish, and built with precision. The surface has a premium texture, and every detail, from the vent layout to the control panel, feels refined. It's designed to blend into modern interiors while standing out as a piece of advanced tech. Sound performance is equally impressive. With built-in Dolby Atmos support, the audio experience is expansive and immersive. Dialogue sounds crisp, effects feel dynamic, and the bass hits with satisfying depth. But if you prefer, connecting external speakers through HDMI eARC can elevate your setup even more. Gamers will appreciate its low input lag and fast response time. The LTV-3500 handles motion smoothly, with virtually no delay, making it ideal for fast-paced gameplay or sports streaming. The triple laser light source ensures stable brightness and color consistency across thousands of hours of use. Speaking of longevity, this projector boasts an incredible 25,000-hour light source lifespan, meaning years of entertainment without worrying about lamp replacements or performance dips. It's efficient, durable, and built for heavy use. Overall, the AWOL Vision LTV-3500 represents the ultimate evolution of home theater technology. It's not just a projector, it's a cinematic experience that replaces the need for a high-end TV. The combination of Dolby Vision, HDR 10+, triple laser brightness, and rich Dolby Atmos sound transforms any room into a professional-grade movie theater. If you're looking for an all-in-one entertainment solution that combines performance, design, and convenience, the AWOL Vision LTV-3500 delivers on every front. Its massive screen size, vibrant detail, and surround sound make it one of the most compelling home theater projectors available today. Click the link in the description to explore more details and bring this incredible piece of technology into your home. Once you see it in action, you'll realize just how far projection technology has come and why this could easily replace your next TV.